Excuse me, hi. Sorry to bother you. Could you help me? I'm trying to find the art museum.
Of course. The art museum? Yeah, it's not too far from here. Are you walking or taking a bus?
I'm walking. I figured it would be a nice way to explore the city.
Good choice. Okay, so from here, go straight down Main Street for about 3 blocks.
All right, straight down Main Street. Got it.
Then you'll see a big coffee shop on the corner. Java Central. Turn right at that corner.
Turn right at Java Central. Okay, and then?
After that, walk 2 more blocks and you'll see a large park on your left. The museum is just across the street from the park. You can't miss it.
That sounds easy enough. About how long do you think it'll take to walk there?
I'd say about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your pace.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I was totally turned around.
No problem at all. Are you visiting the city?
Yes, first time here. I'm only in town for a couple of days, so I'm trying to see as much as I can.
Nice. The art museum is definitely worth a visit. If you have time afterward, there's a great little bakery just behind it. Really good pastries and coffee.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I'll definitely check it out. What's it called?
It's called Sweet Spot Bakery. Just walk behind the museum and you'll see it.
Thank you again. You've been so helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy the museum and the rest of your trip.
Thanks, I will. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.